Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is WHO funding crunch. According to an independent report, the World Health Organization's emergency department is facing existential threats as multiplying health crises have left it so short of cash that it needed emergency funds to pay staff salaries at the end of last year. In 2023, the department responded to 72 emergencies. They included earthquakes in Turkey and Syria, conflict in Sudan, Ukraine and Gaza, and a large global cholera outbreak. The report said that countries need to strengthen their preparedness efforts and the WHO must improve the way it transfers responsibilities to national authorities to cope with the increased demands. It also stated that more numerous natural disasters and conflicts in fragile states pose existential threats to the performance of the emergencies program. The WHO has a system of grading emergencies with its highest level of alert being a public health emergency of international concern. The agency also responds to increasing numbers of other emergencies, from conflict to floods and infectious disease outbreaks. WHO gets its funding from two main sources. First, member states paying their assessed contributions. Second, voluntary contributions from member states and other partners. The World Health Assembly is the decision-making body of WHO. WHO's global office is located in Geneva, Switzerland. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, World Health Organization's global office is located in which of the following countries? Tokyo, Japan, New York, USA, Montreal, Canada, or Geneva, Switzerland? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.